Thank you for being more than just teachers, your mentors, role models, and friends who have made a lasting difference in our lives. We're lucky to have had the opportunity to learn from you and be shaped by your wisdom and kindness. Happy Teachers Day! May you continue to inspire and educate future generations.
On this special day, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for all that you've done for us. Your dedication, patience, and love have shaped us into individuals we are today. You've not only taught us academics but also valuable life lessons that will stay with us forever.
Hi, Ma'am Maris. You're an amazing teacher. Your patience and kindness make a big difference in my learning journey.
Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin. At hindi na po kami maglilikot. Ma'am, Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma'am. At salamat, Ma'am, sa pagtuturo niyo sa amin. At Ma'am, hindi na po ako maglilikot. Pangako.
Hello, Ma'am Maris. Thank you for tirelessly teaching us every day we've been together. Your dedication, patience, and passion never get tired of teaching us even when we're noisy and laughing. Thank you, Ma'am. I love you.
Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am Maris. We love you lagi.
Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am. Babait na ako.
Pero di ka nag-isa.
Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin sa paggabay kahit pasaway kami. Yun lang.
At sabihin, ako naman muna.
Mas na di man